Hello everyone. Are you ready to take off and reach new heights in your UPSC preparation? Then welcome to our Falcon Guidance Program, the smartest and the fastest way to crack UPSC Prelims 2025. And when we say Falcon, Falcon here is the metaphor for precise, fastest and the smartest preparation. I will tell you why we have chosen this name, and you will get to know when you will get to know about the program details, features. Every year, almost 10 lakhs people are filling the form, 7 lakhs aspirants are appearing in prelims exam, but hardly 14 to 15,000 people are writing mains. Why? This prelims exam is known as the elimination round. People get eliminated in prelims round, और जो मेंस बच्चे लिख रहे हैं वो बहुत ही कम होते हैं, and further selection हमें पता है. In this exam the selection rate is 0.001%. 7 लाख लोग फॉर्म भरते हैं, हार्डली 700-800 लोगों का सिलेक्शन होता है. अगेन डिपेंड्स अपॉन दी वैकेंसीज. सो इन ऑल दीज ईयर्स बहुत सारे बच्चों को गाइड करने के बाद वी हैव फाउंड दैट दिस सक्सेस रेट, जो ये सक्सेस रेट कम है, लाखों लोग फॉर्म भर रहे हैं, डेफिनेटली कट ऑफ तो होगा ही, लेकिन जो वो 14,000 15,000 लोग सेलेक्ट होते हैं एंड द पीपल हु आर नॉट क्वालिफाइंग प्रीलिम्स, उनके बीच में कुछ तो डिफरेंस होता है. व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स which are responsible for selection and the people who are not getting selected, उनको भी ये पता होना चाहिए. For example, expert guidance. People in prelims, we have seen the students, they are running after material. They don't seek guidance. They think that okay, prelims is manageable. They are following YouTube videos, they are following this random materials and they think that they can manage. After 1 or 2 attempt, further ये problem आ जाती है, rigid हो जाते हैं and they don't seek the guidance of the experts who have qualified or who can help them to qualify prelims. Second problem is focused practice. We have seen that the students, they go to market, they will buy any random test series which has been recommended or which is popular, and they are not preparing on what is needed. You are simply buying the test series and practicing at your own convenience, but real mock paper is not being mocked in all true sense. So the focused practice is being ignored. Exam mastery is definitely being ignored by the people who are not qualifying prelims exam or even for that matter mains exam. Here you are focusing on material collection, you are focusing on information, you are focusing on running after this current affairs, that current affairs, but you are lacking this side of developing the exam mastery, understanding UPSC's mindset. एग्जाम के रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, एग्जाम का जो पैटर्न है, ट्रेंड है, वो चेंज हो रहा है, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट व्हाट ऑल आई शुड डू, दैट इज डेफिनेटली लैकिंग. लेजर माइंडसेट. जब हम फाल्कन की बात करते हैं तो फाल्कन की सबसे बड़ी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होती है लेजर माइंडसेट. एकदम प्रिसाइज, एकदम शार्प माइंडसेट होता है. दैट्स हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर बर्ड्स. वो क्रो की तरह नहीं होते हैं, उनका एटीट्यूड ही डिफरेंट होता है. सो लेजर माइंडसेट इज मिसिंग. You are distracted, चाय पे चर्चा, आप टाइम तो दे रहे हो, 10 to 12 hours you are giving to your preparation, but your focus is lacking. That mindset of qualifying, the mindset of catching your targets miss नहीं होने चाहिए, वो कहीं ना कहीं missing रहता है, and we will be swayed away by the distractions. Suitable energy is lacking. Every day you are preparing, but you are not having that confidence that yes, I can also qualify. Okay, you are preparing for prelims, but you are lacking this energy कि अच्छा मेरी मेंस की प्रिपरेशन कैसी है, कैसी नहीं है. You are not focusing there. This energy aspect is lacking in most of the aspirants. Almost everybody is lacking this energy. Only a few people who are qualifying and becoming toppers, they have the right mindset and right energy. This energy is something which we all need to work upon. हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, but we don't have that belief or faith. On daily basis, we are trapped in our emotional baggages. So we are not able to utilize the energy. So we are lacking the suitable energy. And the empowering peer group, we cannot undermine the importance of the empowering peer group, be it holding us accountable or sharing the information or the knowledge. कभी कुछ कोई स्टूडेंट एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ता है, वो शेयर कर देता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी वर ऑल्सो स्टेइंग इन रूम एंड ऑलमोस्ट 6-7 people were there. कोई कुछ पढ़ के आता था, कोई कुछ पढ़ के आता था, and we used to exchange information. So that kind of empowering peer group should be there. केवल receiving वाले peer group नहीं होने चाहिए. The peer group should empower you, right? So these are the factors which are responsible for the success of those students who are getting successful, and these are the factors which are responsible, और ये factors वो factors हैं जो वो बच्चे utilize नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, जिनका selection नहीं हो रहा है, right? एंड जब आपका सिलेक्शन नहीं होता है देन देयर विल बी लो सेल्फ एस्टीम बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग पुअर मार्क्स एंड देन यू स्टार्ट डाउटिंग योरसेल्फ, आई एम स्टूपिड, आई एम नॉट कैपेबल, मैं तो इस लायक ही नहीं हूं. देन यू स्टार्ट टारगेटिंग प्लान बी और अलग डिफरेंट एग्जाम्स पे फोकस हो जाता है एंड अगेन इट विल लीड टू दिस विशियस साइकिल ऑफ लो सेल्फ एस्टीम. However, जब आपका एटीट्यूड सही रहता है तो क्या होता है? The self-esteem will be high. You will have a healthy self-esteem. And how that healthy self-esteem gets the fuel? If you are getting low marks, then your attitude or your response will be, okay, what went wrong? What can I do better? क्या करना चाहिए? You will work upon your strategy. You will work upon your knowledge. You will meet your mentors. You will do everything which is important in order to build your self-esteem. And this self-esteem is nothing but your energy, your confidence, which is most important for this exam. But this transition from low self-esteem to high self-esteem, I understand that many of the students, they struggle here. And it is not easy. It is not easy because even if you are working on your self-esteem, you are working on your energy, you are working on your confidence, then the problems of getting negative marks, time management, overwhelming syllabus, and nobody to guide, and there are many things जिसके ट्रैप में आप फंस जाते हो and then somewhere you are stuck and ये अटेम्प्ट गया, अगला अटेम्प्ट गया and we are working on building ourselves. Definitely you are working but उतना sufficient नहीं हो पाता है. So challenges are there that we also acknowledge and in fact कभी हम भी preparation करते थे, so we understand your emotions, we understand the problems and difficulties. So what is the solution? In order to overcome all these problems, challenges which you are struggling, we have come up with this Falcon solution. So this, our Falcon Prelims Guidance Program for UPSC Prelims 2025 is the smartest and fastest way for your UPSC journey and UPSC preparation through which you can sure shot clear Prelims 2025. So what are we doing here? यहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारी यूनिक चीजें जो हमारे पास्ट के एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं उनको कोलेट किया है और उन सभी एक्सपीरियंसेस का हम फायदा उठाने वाले हैं. इनफैक्ट इन द पास्ट ये जो भी हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी रही है वो स्ट्रैटेजी का फायदा बहुत सारे टॉपर्स ने उठाया है. टू मेंशन इन द ईयर 2023 these were our toppers who have got selected. 15 of our students have got selected in CSE 2023. Not only that, 2024 का भी रिजल्ट्स आने लगे हैं. Many of our students, they have started giving interview and they have started sending messages. Interview अच्छा गया sir, my interview board was this. Such messages are coming up. So we are sure that this strategy, whatever I'm going to tell you as part of the Falcon Guidance Program, is working and has helped students in the past as well. So if you are struggling, what to prioritize, कैसे करना है, what should be your day routine, what kind of practice you should do, कितने test paper practice करने हैं, how to manage the current affairs, what about accountability, then this Falcon Guidance Program is for you. And this Falcon, when we say Falcon, they are fast, they are agile, they are sharp, exactly how an aspirant should work for their goal. So as part of this Falcon program, क्या है? Let's understand. So what we have done as part of this Falcon Guidance Program, we are going to work with our students on daily basis. There will be daily huddle. Huddle means meeting. Daily meeting होगी. And the first meeting will start at 5 a.m. and all those students who are going to join and our existing students, our old students and the new students who are going to join us, they will be part of this esteemed, energetic 5 a.m. Falcon Club. This will be on daily basis. Every day 5 a.m. we will meet and this is, we are starting from 1st February. We are going to meet and we here in this meeting at 5 a.m. we are going to work on your emotions. We are going to work on the mindset shift, energy transformation, daily yoga, meditation, daily motivation, goal setting, then also working on productivity hacks. And like this, there will be many such live sessions which will help you in channelizing your mind, energy, and it will keep you active. It will set the tone for the day. आपके दिन की शुरुआत ही अगर इस नोट पे होती है, then just imagine how your day would be. And if you are someone who believes that I am nocturnal, this I can't do, then let me tell you that आपको एग्जाम के दिन तो 5 बजे उठना ही पड़ेगा. Because exam will start at 9, you have to travel, you have to get ready, you have to finish your breakfast, and this is going to be there in prelims also, mains also. So if you are boasting about yourself कि मैं nocturnal हूँ, I am a night owl, then I would say you have to become a falcon. You cannot be owl anymore. And nocturnal is not for us. That's how the problems of this lifestyle diseases are coming up. So ये रूटीन तो चेंज करना पड़ेगा. कल को आप सिविल सर्वेंट बन जाओगे तो भी ये चेंज करना पड़ेगा. And the sessions, 5 a.m. sessions will be taken by me. I will be there. तो अगर हम आपके लिए इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, then definitely just imagine जब आप डेली बेसिस पे अपने लिए इतनी मेहनत करोगे तो रिजल्ट क्या होगा, द एनर्जी, द गोल्स, द होल डे की प्रोडक्टिविटी कितनी इंप्रूव हो जाएगी। एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर आपने ये तो सुना होगा कि हर सफल इंसान, एवरी सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, दे गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, ब्रह्म मुहूर्त एंड ऑल, वो सारे फायदे आप ले सकते हो। सो दिस इज what I have been practicing from many years, and this time I thought, okay, let's work with our students. So as part of this 5 a.m. Falcon Club, we are going to do all those things on daily basis till your selection. Not only for prelims, we will do it for mains also, we will do it for interview till your selection. In the past, जैसा मैंने बताया कि अलग अलग frameworks दिए जाएंगे, productivity hacks दिए जाएंगे. In the past, one of my student Pawan, he has got benefited from Achieve framework. उसने बताया कि Achieve framework से उसको क्या फायदा हुआ. उसने लिखा भी है कि सर आई डोंट नो मैं आईएएस बनूंगा या नहीं बनूंगा, बट क्लियरिंग प्रीलिम्स विदाउट यू आई वुड हैव नॉट थॉट. सो ग्रेटफुल. So like this, things have worked in the past and now it will help you as well. And this idea of daily meeting, we have already experimented in past in our mains test series, triple M test series. We have already experimented current affairs, revision classes. So here you can see how the happy faces when we meet on daily basis, the confidence will be completely different. So I am very sure this is going to work even in the 5 a.m. Falcon Club also. It is going to work for you. It will channelize your energy. It will transform you. And you will be able to soar high with the best version of yourself. Next, after 5 a.m. we are meeting again at 9 a.m. where you will be focusing on daily practice and revision. So this is your static accelerator, and here we are going to present you the PYQ based test series, which is again a very unique test series which has helped our students in the past. And this 9 a.m. meeting, what are we doing here? Here we are focusing on daily 50 high quality MCQ practice, followed by holistic discussion and revision. Our faculties, they will do the holistic discussion on the same day. Doubt resolution if you want, then हर subject का faculties के साथ आपका doubt resolution भी होगा. Subject wise approach. So already we have given the timetable. This we are starting from 10th of February. Detailed timetable दिया गया है कि किस दिन पॉलिटी के कौन से टेस्ट होंगे, सब्जेक्ट वाइज जो टेस्ट के नंबर होंगे वो वेरी करेंगे, राइट. सो टोटल 32 टेस्ट, अगर ये 50-50 आप डेली सॉल्व करते हो, बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस होल शेड्यूल यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व 32 टेस्ट, ऑलमोस्ट 3200 क्वेश्चंस, क्वालिटी क्वेश्चंस, जिसमें सेक्शनल सब्जेक्ट वाइज अप्रोच रहेगा 27 टेस्ट का, एंड 5 टेस्ट वुड बी फुल लेंथ टेस्ट. सो हियर द फोकस इज ऑन मेकिंग द लर्निंग रेगुलर, कंसिस्टेंट, रिविजन मोड भी अच्छा रहे, एंड लीडर बोर्ड, चैलेंज मोड, आपकी जो लर्निंग होगी दैट विल बी वेरी क्रूशियल फॉर qualifying prelims. And in the past, as you can see, be it our online student, offline students, they have practiced rigorously, be it prelims or mains, they have practiced rigorously. And here you can see one of our student offline, ये जब ये सारी practices होती थी, ये बच्चे जब रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो इन्हीं में से कोई एक टॉपर बनता है. द स्टूडेंट जिसको मैंने वहां पे दिखाया, he became IFS officer in 2023, Vipul Garg. He has given many exams. He 2 months before the UPSC prelims he left, and he followed our precision strategy, high yielding precision strategy, and he not only cleared prelims, CSC prelims, but also the cutoff of IFS, and he is IFS officer today, right? So this is how daily practice जब आप करते हो, precise तरीके से करते हो, and our strategy is PYQ based test series है, जो कि definitely आपको UPSC के level जो होता है questions का वो taste मिलेगा. And if you are practicing on those lines, then definitely nobody can stop you. Then next 9 a.m. we have met, followed by discussion. By 11:30, 12 your discussion will be over. You will get rest of the day is your day. Then again we are meeting at 5 p.m. where we are mastering the current affairs. Here our approach is question answer format, where we will do the static linkage, PYQ linkage, and as part of this current affairs you will be able to cover 1.5 years of current affairs, right? From January 2024 to May 2025. The Hindu, Indian Express, all the important government websites, sources, PIB, everything will be covered. And here our focus is strictly exam oriented. The learning will be strictly exam oriented. Ready PDF notes दिए जाएंगे आपको, so that you don't have to worry about notes making. And every day we first show you a question, and through that we are sharpening your skills. MCQ solve करने के जो skills है वो daily हम आपको सिखाते हैं कि इसको कैसे approach करना है. Once we have solved the question, then only we will discuss, okay, why this was in news, why we have framed this question. So this is how we are focusing on question MCQ based learning of the current affairs. And in the past, you can go and check on our YouTube video. There are videos that in the past how our current affairs has helped our students and the other followers, right? So 5 PM पे हम मिल रहे हैं, and here daily almost 10 to 12 topics हम discuss करेंगे. It will be not very intensive कि आपको 2-3 घंटे बैठने हैं. Daily 1 hour, 1.5 hours you are focusing on current affairs, and that way slow bits and pieces में consistently जब आप काम करोगे current affairs you master हो जाएगा, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा, right? So newspapers safely you can ignore. Monthly compilations or newspapers, they will not scare you anymore if you follow this thoroughly and revise. Focus on revision of one source again and again. You don't have to be a material collector. Otherwise, you will be always insecure. In the past, this current affairs has helped our students. And जब आप एग्जाम जाते हो ना, एग्जाम में जाने के बाद जो आपका माइंडसेट होता है, लाइक यूपीएससी करंट अफेयर्स हेडेक, यूपीएससी करंट अफेयर्स नाइटमेयर, यस होता है. जब आप सही तरीके से नहीं करते हो तो ऐसे ही मैसेजेस भेजते हो. और यू कैन सी सम ऑफ आवर स्टूडेंट्स, प्रेजेंस एक्ट वाला रैंडम था सर, मतलब कहां से आ गया? प्रेजेंस एक्ट वाला रैंडम नहीं था. 2021, 22 में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आए जब स्टूडेंट्स का मैसेज आया कि सर ये रैंडमली आ गया. इट वाज नॉट रैंडम. मिताक्षरा सिस्टम, प्रेजेंस एक्ट, नो. मॉडर्न प्रेजेंस एक्ट सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इनहेरिटेंस पे कुछ बोला था, तब मिताक्षरा सिस्टम को पूछा था यूपीएससी ने. Our current affairs has helped our students, and today our students, as you can see here, Sneha with our current affairs module. In December, she has completed her foundation course FC at Labasna. So जब आप sincerely किसी भी चीज को follow करते हो, you can see the transformation, you can see the results. Sincerity, consistency is very important, and we would love to see you with such images as you can see here. Sneha, Labasna, Mussoorie, certificate of completion of foundation course. तो ये सारी चीजें देख के हमें भी खुशी होती है. एंड देन जो ये हमारे भाव हैं कि यस यू आर सोरिंग लाइक अ फाल्कन, इट रियली मेक्स अस फील प्राउड. सो द की इज कंसिस्टेंसी एंड द राइट स्ट्रैटेजी इन अ राइट मैनर. सही तरीके से करोगे तो सिलेक्शन होना ही होना है. नॉट ओनली दिस, आफ्टर 5 PM अगेन वी आर मीटिंग आवर स्टूडेंट्स एट 9 PM, and this 9 PM is what? Your Falcon performance monitoring. So you are ending up your day with this. What are we going to do here? Here daily self-report submission will be there, peer accountability will be there, consolidation of the daily learning will be there, and you will gear up for the next day. So at the same time, personalized mentorship feedback will be given to you to improve your efficiency. So have you noticed something? We are starting our day at 5 AM and we are ending our day with our students at 9 PM. And all these meetings at 5 AM, 9 AM, 5 PM and again at 9 PM, and in all these meetings हम होंगे आपके साथ. 5 AM I will be there with you. 9 PM I will be there with you. Current affairs and our daily discussions, our respective faculties will be there and they will discuss with you. So when we are working on you like this, then you tell me why you will not be successful. आपकी एनर्जी पे सुबह काम हो रहा है, आपके नॉलेज पे काम हो रहा है, आपके करंट अफेयर्स पे काम हो रहा है, आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी पे काम हो रहा है, आपके प्रैक्टिस पे काम हो रहा है, आपकी अकाउंटेबिलिटी पे काम हो रहा है, आपके मेंटरशिप पे काम हो रहा है. So definitely you are bound to be successful if you will be able to utilize all these things within time and revision अच्छे से कर लोगे. Definitely you will see change, you will see transformation in your personality, you will see transformation in your preparation. And when we say daily accountability, this also we have tried and tested in the past. Our students have got benefited from this. I will show you how. So here you can see, these are the screenshots of Meghna IAS 2020. She was our student, rank 83, and here you can see she used to send her report like this on daily basis. She used to send these reports 26th April 2021 night 10:30. The whole routine breakup of 17 hours, क्या क्या किया क्या नहीं किया. Similarly, our students are doing now as well. Here you can see the break time. Okay, कितनी देर physics पढ़ा, कितनी देर current affairs पढ़ा, weekend test, micro test. So this is how our students are doing, and इससे आपकी accountability बढ़ती है. You will be able to monitor your day. You will be able to understand that how you are progressing in day. Then you will not say, sir, time कहाँ चला गया, पता ही नहीं चला. So this daily accountability is going to do wonder for you if you are going to follow it sincerely. And when you do so sincerely, you become like Meghna. This was a pic shared by Meghna जब वो पहले दिन अपने ऑफिस पहुंची थी और उसको ऐसी सीट पे बैठने का मौका मिला था. Meghna Kawali IAS. Not only this, there are certain exclusive bonuses for all of you. We will be giving you the workshop on using common sense to solve MCQs. We will also give you the compilation. We will teach you rather the important judgment of last 2 years and important committees of last 2 years. We will also work on the mindset exclusively. We will give you a workshop on building prelims ready mindset through our resilience framework. तो ये resilience framework का आपको एक workshop होगा, वो भी दिया जाएगा. However, we are going to work with you on daily basis at 5 AM. उसमें भी हम आपकी mindset और energy पे काम कर रहे हैं. Subject wise theme analysis for prelims 2025, there is a e-book that will be given to you जिसमें आप theme wise ये समझ सकते हो कि किस subject में क्या चीज important है and past में कैसे questions आए हैं. We are going to provide you the 3R system for positive habit building, because if you are not able to build your habits in a right manner, फिर कोई भी change, कोई भी transformation possible नहीं होगा. Budget and economic survey coverage will be also there. Trigger mapping exercise, you will understand what is trigger mapping exercise when you will get to know that what is triggering your low esteem. आपको low confidence या आपकी पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रही तो trigger क्या है? So trigger mapping exercise we will teach you, which will help you to enhance your productivity. Then fear free framework will be given through which you can manage your fear. ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, fear, anxiety, इनको कैसे मैनेज करें, कैसे नहीं, कैसे इसको ओवरकम करें. So we are going to provide these exclusive 9 bonuses, benefits to all those students who are going to be part of this Falcon Guidance program. Right? So if you want to soar high like a falcon, then here you can go and check the test series schedule, and let me also tell you certain important dates. For example, the first day which you have to remember is that we are going to start the 5 AM Falcon Club from the 1st February itself. And daily accountability 9 PM वाला भी, तो ये 1st Feb से ही शुरू हो रहा है. The daily 50 questions का जो practice आप करोगे वो 10th February से शुरू हो रहा है, the daily test series practice, and here you can check the timetable. 30th April, your subject-wise approach will be over, and then next 15 days we will give you the full length test, 5 full length tests. So 15th May full length test module will be over. आपका रिवीजन भी हो चुका रहेगा, प्रैक्टिस भी हो चुकी रहेगी, डेली मीट करके हमारा ये सारा काम हो चुका रहेगा. Then 10 days break will be there. Then also within that 10 days break also we will be meeting you every day, 5 AM revision classes, and then in the night. 25th May is your UPSC CSE prelims D-Day, and you are ready for that day, right? So आप टेस्ट सीरीज को अभी स्कैन करके देख लो and you will get an idea about it. So ये सारी चीजें जब काम होंगी, so as part of this Falcon Prelims Guidance Program, you are going to meet us, or you are going to be with us on daily basis, and these daily huddles at different time, 5 AM, 9 AM, 5 PM, 9 PM is going to transform you like a falcon, sharp, fast, agile, and ready to hunt the prey. So through all these, जो हमने स्टार्टिंग में प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस की थी वो सब रिजॉल्व हो जाएगी. You will be getting the expert guidance. There will be focused practice. You are going to do the mastery of exam mastery, exam orientation, exam में क्या आ रहा है, mindset, UPSC's mindset. We are going to do the mastery of exam. Laser mindset, इस पे तो हम रोज काम कर रहे हैं. Then suitable energy. Again we are working on your energy on daily basis. मॉर्निंग से लेके नाइट तक, एंड देन एम्पावरिंग पेयर ग्रुप विल बी देयर. डेफिनेटली अकाउंटेबिलिटी, प्रोडक्टिविटी, हर चीज बढ़ जाने वाली है. राइट? सो वेलकम टू आवर फाल्कन prelims guidance program, the smartest and the fastest way to crack UPSC CSE prelims 2025. all the details, इसकी फी कितनी है, डेट्स मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दी हैं. इवन द शेड्यूल स्कैन आप कर सकते हो, शेड्यूल का लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी दिया गया है. सो ज्वाइन इट. It is going to transform you immensely, right? In case of any confusion, any problem, you can always call us, you can always reach out to us. अगर कुछ और भी डिस्कस करना है and you want to understand it, that how it will help you, so you can always reach out to us. So welcome to our Falcon Guidance Program, and all those who are going to be part of this. So I'm going to meet you on 1st February at 5 AM in the 5 AM Falcon Club. See you all. Take care. Bye-bye.